Now we will start exercise 3B. This you have to write in your book only with the pencil. Shade the figures and fill in the blanks. Figure you can see here, divided it into 8 equal parts. Here it is written 5 parts out of 8 equal parts. So you have to shade it. That means you have to darken only 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parts you have to shade it. So in fraction you will write 5 by 8. In fractional number you will write this as 5/8. Now you will look at the book. Shade the figures and fill in the blanks. First one for you, the figure is divided into 4 equal parts. 3 parts out of 4 parts are shaded. So the fraction 3 by 4. Fractional number we write this 3/4. Second question, 5 parts out of 8 equal parts. First you have to darken these 5 parts. Then you will write. So 5 by 8 you will write here. Here you will write 5/8. Third question, 2 parts out of 6 equal parts. Only 2 parts you have to darken. Or the answer here you will write 2 by 6. In fractional number you will write this as 2/6. B bit, in each of the following write the fraction and the fractional number corresponding to the unshaded part. In this figure you can see it is divided into 7 equal parts. 6 parts are shaded and 1 part is not shaded. So the fraction will be 1 by 7 and the fractional number is 1/7. Second figure is divided into 6 equal parts. 3 parts are shaded and 3 parts are unshaded. So the fraction will be 3 by 6. Hence fractional number is 3/6. The third figure, it is divided into 10 equal parts. 3 parts are shaded, 7 parts are unshaded. So the fraction will be 7 by 10 and the fractional number is 7/10. Next two you do by yourself. Bit C, write the numerator and the denominator of the following fraction. Here you can see the first fraction 3 by 11. Numerator is 3. And denominator you will write 11. Here 15 by 16, numerator is 15, denominator is 16. Another one 7 by 9, numerator is 7, denominator is 9. The rest you do by yourself. Next bit D, write the fraction whose numerator is 4 and denominator is 7. So you write 4, then line below that you will write 7. Then numerator is 7 and denominator is 15. 7 by 15. Rest you do by yourself. Next E number. How many 1/5 are there in a whole? You will write 5/5 are there in a whole. You will write. Next, how many 1/6 are there in a whole? You will write 6/6 are there in a whole. Now, divide each collection into suitable number of equal parts and fill in the blanks. This also you know it. This here you can see 6 objects. So divide it into 3 equal parts. So with the dotted line you will divide this. Then you will write 1 by 3 of 6 is 2. Next it is, here you can see 8 objects. You have to divide it into 2 equal parts. So draw the dotted lines like this. Now each part 4 you can see. So 1/2 of 8 is 4. Now this figure you have to divide this into 4 equal parts. With the dotted lines you will draw dotted lines. Then you can see each part how many are there? 3. So 1/4 of 12 is 3. Next you can see here how many are there? The objects you can see total it is 16. Divided it into 8 equal parts. So you divide it with the dotted lines like this. This way also you have to draw. Now you can see In each part 2 2 you can see 8 equal parts. So 1/8 of 16 is 2. H. Draw a collection of objects. Divide the collection into suitable number of equal parts and find. Here you can see the questions. Only 2 I will explain. Rest you do by yourself. You can see 15 objects here. You have to arrange 15 objects. Then you have to divide it into 5 equal parts. So with the dotted lines I am dividing. You can see here. So in each part you can see 3 objects. We want only 2 parts. First part 3, second part also 3. So 3 plus 3, 6 you will write. Now 4 by 9 of 18. Here you have to arrange 18 objects. Then you have to divide it into 9 equal parts. With a dotted line you can divide this way. Okay, now each part you can see 2 objects. We want 4 part of it. So 4 part means 1 2 3 4. Your answer is 8. 4 by 9 of 18 is 8.